Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and my beloved queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs. I'm so glad to be back. All right, y'all. So, I don't know if you all remember me doing a haul. I'm going to say I did a haul about a couple of months ago. And I did a haul on these beads right here. Do y'all remember me doing a haul on these woodcraft beads from Crafter's Square from the Dollar Tree? And I did a haul, like I said, some months ago. And I told y'all that I was going to be coming to you all with a DIY, or how to make. Now, I want to explain a little bit about these wood shapes. These wood shapes, you have to use real specific glue to glue these together. I got something awesome coming your way. It is actually going to be a how to make. At first I was like, maybe I should just make some things from this, put it together, but I'm going to actually show y'all, because if you can make and take wood pieces like this and make some phenomenal jewelry, thinking outside the box, I'm telling y'all, all I'm going to do is I'm going to show y'all two designs that I have created using these pieces. And then y'all can do whatever you want, because like I always say, the sky is the limit. Okay? Once you learn how to tap into your creativity and you allow yourself to walk in your greatness, okay? Because you have to allow yourself to walk in your greatness, all right? Your greatness, not nobody else's, yours. Don't apologize for who you are, and shine bright. And when I say that, I mean do you completely. Because it's so many people living in this world, y'all, that art, okay, no matter what type of art it is that you're creating or making, art always have room for more art. Okay, I'm gonna repeat that. Art always has more room for more art. So whatever you have, whatever that is within you, whatever that resonates with you, whatever you want to give birth to, do it. Okay, I am just here to help. So with that being said, I love you guys. I want to thank y'all for all your support that you have shown to me here on this platform. And until the next video, be looking out for this, because it's coming. Have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings to everyone. See ya.